Hello everyone. In this video session, I am going to provide answer for one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is a class? So the question is, what is a class? Let me answer. Class is a class is a template or blueprint. Class is a template or blueprint for what, guys? For creating objects of similar kind. This is the thing, guys. Okay. So what is a class? Class is a template or blueprint for creating objects of similar kind. So let me take an example so that you can understand what exactly is a class. Let's say if I create a class in the Java programs, if I create a class known as dog. Okay. Let's say dog is a class I created in the Java program. Using this dog class, okay, using this dog class as a template or blueprint, we can create objects of similar kind. Okay, we can create objects of similar kind. Let's say similar kind of objects we can create, guys. Let's say there are some type of dogs, right? So one is like a pug. Okay, there is a type of dog like pug, and we have something like Dalmatian. Okay, and we have something like Doberman. Like that, many breeds of dogs are there. Many breeds of dogs are like they're like pug, Dalmatian, and Doberman. So let's say this is an object, and this is an object. This is an object in Java programs. Okay, in Java programs. Okay, in Java programs using this dog class, we can create objects like pug, Dalmatian, and Doberman. Okay, so what exactly is a class? Class is a template or blueprint for creating objects of similar kind. So here pug, Dalmatian, and Doberman are of similar kind, guys. These are all objects. So we are able to create this similar kind of objects with the help of this dog class. How can we create objects like pug, Dalmatian, and Doberman using this dog class? Because this dog class will define properties. Properties means what, guys? Properties means variables and methods. Okay, the properties like variables and methods will be defined in the dog class, and using this dog class as a template we can create objects like pug, Dalmatian, and Doberman. Okay, if this is a dog class, objects will be like pug, Dalmatian, Doberman. So what can be the variables and methods that can be available in the dog class? Coming to the variables, we can create some variables like what is the breed of the dog? Okay, what is the size of the dog? Okay, small, medium, okay, high, whatever that is size. What is the breed of the dog? What is the size of the dog? And what is the color of the dog? These are like variables. Okay, these are like variables. We can store data into these variables like what is the breed of the dog. In case of pug, breed will be pug. In case of Dalmatian, breed will be Dalmatian. In case of Doberman, breed will be Doberman. Coming to the size, okay, coming to the size, pug size will be kind of small size. Okay, it will be very small. If you search here on the internet what is pug, okay, if I search on the internet, the pug will look something like this. Okay, pug will look something like this. So we have other thing like Dalmatian. Let's search for Dalmatian here, and Dalmatian actually looks like and other thing is other dog we have is Doberman, right? So let's search for Doberman also at same time. So Dalmatian will look something like this, guys. Okay, this white color dog with some dots on it. And apart from Dalmatian, we have to know another dog breed, that is Doberman. So it's kind of slow, fine. So another dog is Doberman. Like that, three breeds are there, guys. Okay, here breeds are pug, Dalmatian, Doberman. Okay, this pug is a breed. So size of the pug will be like very small, guys. Okay, small size. Okay, pug will be small size. Dalmatian will be kind of medium size, whereas Doberman will be big size. So coming to the color, okay, pug dog will be in some kind of brown color. Dalmatian, as you can see, it was in white color. Doberman will be in brown and black color. Okay, you can stick to black color if you want. Okay, brown, white, and black. Like this, every dog has some properties, variable properties like breed, size, color, and at same time, guys. So this is like a Dalmatian. Okay, a lot of blackness will be there. Okay, the height will be very high. Okay, it is the height is very big height compared to other dogs. Fine. So anyhow, so these are the variables, and these variables will be defined inside this dog class. And at same time, methods. What can be the methods? Dog is sleeping, sleep method, eat, sleep, and bark. Let's say some methods I am just taking for example, that is sleep, eat, bark. Okay, this dog can sleep, a dog can eat, a dog can bark. So, this is a template, guys. Okay, the dog class is nothing but a template. Using this template, we can create objects like pug. Okay, when pug object is created, this pug object has a breed as pug and size as small, color as brown. Pug dog will sleep, pug dog will eat. Okay, actions will be methods, guys, whereas characteristics will be actions will be methods, otherwise the properties will be variables kind of thing. Okay, so here pug can sleep, pug can eat, pug can bark. Dalmatian can sleep, eat, bark. Doberman can sleep, eat, bark. Okay, and they have the different way of sleeping, eating, barking anyhow. So every object can perform in a different way. That's fine. So let me practically show you how we can create this kind of dog class, and using the dog class, how we can create objects. Okay, how we can create this kind of real-time objects in the Java programs. Let me show you so that you can understand what exactly is a class. So before I practically show you, let's revisit this dialog. That is, class is a template or blueprint. This kind of template or blueprint using which we can create objects of similar kind. Here, Pug, Dalmatian, and Doberman are the different objects which are of similar kind. Okay, they are related to the dog type. Okay, fine. Now guys, let's create a class like dog class. Click on finish, and as I said, dog is a template, right? Template or blueprint. How can we create a template or blueprint? By by defining or creating the variables and methods. Okay, if you provide these variables and methods inside this dog class will become a template. So without providing the variables and methods, without providing the properties of the dog class, dog will not be anything, right? Dog class will be a dummy thing. But after providing the variables and method, this dog class will become a template. Using this template, we can create objects. Okay, first of all, let's create the template of blueprint for the dog class. So creating the template by creating the variables and methods. So first thing is breed. Then we have, okay, then we have int, otherwise string only. Okay, I'm just giving size. Okay, size. Then color. Okay, color. Then we have some methods. We have to write some actions of the dog, what dog actually does. So dog can sleep, right? Public dog can eat actually. Public void eat. It is one method. So, and other method I will create public void sleep, and I will create another method public void bark, public void bark. So here we have three methods. So system dot out dot println, you can say breed is eating. Okay, system dot out dot println. So here breed can eat. Let's say breed can eat, I will say. So sleep. Uh, breed is eating will be better, I guess. Breed is eating. Okay. So when you say this particular breed to eat, it will eat. When you say this particular breed to sleep, it will sleep. So breed plus is sleeping. Okay. When you ask it to sleep, it will be sleeping. Let's say. Now system dot out dot println breed plus, I'm just writing some sample program, guys. Okay, this may not be that much perfect, but it's a template, guys. Nothing more than that. It's a template. Okay, breed is barking. Let's say. Now, guys, we have this dog class which has some variables, some properties like variables and methods of the dog. So these variables and methods, along with the dog class, will become a template. This is going to become a template or blueprint using which we can create objects. Using which we can create objects, guys. So let's create some objects. How to create? For that, I'll create some demo class, some demo with public static void main, so that inside the main method, I'm going to write some objects. Okay. Here inside the main method, I'm going to create some objects for this dog class. The first object I'm going to create here is dog. Which dog? Pug. Okay. Dog pug is equal to new dog. This is one object. Dog. Other than apart from pug, we have, okay, Dalmatian. Okay, dog Dalmatian is equal to new dog. So this is how we create objects, guys. Okay, this is object creation statement. Here, first object got created for the dog class with object reference as pug, and second object got created for this second statement. The object reference is Dalmatian and dog. Third object I'm going to create, guys. That is what is that? Dalmatian and Doberman. Doberman. Okay. Like this, you can create any type of any number of objects, guys. Okay. If you have good list of dogs, dog kind of categories with you, you can create a lot of objects. So here using this class template, we are able to create different objects: Pug object, Dalmatian object, Doberman object. Okay. So here I can say I can initialize these variables using this Pug. I have to say pug dot breed. Pug dot breed is equal to pug only. Okay, pug only. Then we have pug dot size, small size. Like this, guys, we can assign the properties. Now pug dot color. Color is equal to some brown color, right? Brown color. Now if I say pug dot eat, pug will eat. If I say pug dot sleep, pug will sleep. If I say pug dot bark, pug will bark. Now guys, if I run this demo.java, you will get the result as all the things about the pug will be displayed. You see, pug is eating, pug is sleeping, pug is barking. So guys, this is how we can create objects. Okay. So what is a class? Class is a template or blueprint. Using this template or blueprint, we can create objects of similar kind like pug, Dalmatian, Doberman kind of objects. Okay. Fine guys. So hope you got the answer for what is a class. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.